Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset VW Jetta oil change 2019 full guide. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and press and hold the zero button on the dash until the service menu appears. Navigate to the oil service reset option using the stock or dash controls, select reset, and confirm. After the reset, cycle the ignition to verify the service reminder is cleared. Start with the car in park and the parking brake set, then cycle the ignition to on without starting the engine so the cluster powers up. Press and hold the zero or SET button until the service menu appears, then use the stock or buttons to find the oil service reset entry. Confirm the reset when prompted, then switch the ignition off and back on to ensure the reminder is cleared. If you don't see the service menu, try the button press again while making sure you have steady battery power and the ignition is on. Some Jetta trims have different cluster menus or a digital display, so consult the owner manual for alternate button sequences. If the reminder still won't clear, consider visiting a dealer or technician for a diagnostic scan, as software or sensor faults can prevent a proper reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.